Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a world of innovation and style with some of the coolest mini gadgets you've never seen before. Whether you're a tech lover, a gadget collector, or just someone who enjoys clever little tools that make life easier, this video is for you. Stick around because these compact devices pack a serious punch, and trust me, you're gonna want to add them to your wish list. Let's jump in. The L-Ring 2 combines modern design, everyday practicality, and integrated ChatGPT support. This smart wearable can instantly interpret spoken language, transcribe it into text, and summarize key details. Even more impressive, it lets users operate different smart devices using only hand gestures. Whether it's a television, drone, gaming controller, or computer mouse, compatibility is broad. A single charge delivers up to 10 hours of use, and the included carrying case provides an additional 14 charges. The complete kit, ring, and charger starts at $159. Love capturing moments with your smartphone? The Kimto lens might be just what you need. It provides a 12x optical zoom, a 400mm focal length, and an f1.8 aperture, allowing for creative focus and background blur. It's excellent for distant subjects like sports events or nature scenes. To simplify setup, it comes with a universal case that works with major brands like Apple, Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, and Vivo. You can pick up the lens and case bundle starting at $89. After a large meal, adjusting your belt can be annoying, especially when you'll just need to tighten it again later. That's where the MI Belly stands out. This smart belt makes micro adjustments as precise as 1.6 millimeters with a simple tap, or even automatically. Its battery lasts over 2 weeks per charge. With multiple styles available, it fits well with both formal and casual outfits. Pricing begins at $99. Measured claims the title of the most advanced kitchen scale on the market, created with versatility in mind for everything from cocktail crafting to brewing the perfect cup of coffee. Its high-precision thermal sensor is a major asset for coffee fans. With 4 times the sensor count of typical competitors, it delivers superior accuracy. The app that comes with it is equally intelligent. Add too much ginger beer to a Moscow Mule, it'll recalculate the rest of the recipe instantly. You'll also find familiar functions like calorie tracking. Expect to see this scale in action, starting at $149. Greater Rain is taking the humble cheese grater to a new level with the world's first one-touch electric model. In addition to the usual fine and coarse options, it produces delicate shavings as well. Its battery is so efficient that it only needs recharging once every quarter. The robust blades work not only on cheese, but also chocolate and various other foods. Priced similarly to the measured scale, Greater Rain starts at $149. Staying on top of medication seems simple, but according to research, by day, 3 out of 4 people struggle to take their pills on schedule. The culprit? Busy lives filled with work, distractions, and social media. To solve this, Day developed a smart pill container that does more than beep. It sends notifications, lights up, and can even call your phone. Open it within 60 seconds of a reminder, and it logs the dose in the companion app. The built-in display shows the last time it was accessed. Pretty convenient, and it starts at just $59. For everyday carry fans, the Sparus U3 flashlight is a serious contender. Whether you're repairing gear or hiking at night, this tool covers it all. It features 5 lighting modes, up to 700 lumens, a green laser pointer, red light for low-light photography, an ultraviolet lamp, and even a red, white, blue emergency beacon. Weighing only 70 grams and powered by an 850 mAh battery, it can last up to 53 hours in some modes. Best of all, it's budget-friendly, starting at $42. Look Tech AI promises to make smart glasses truly personal. Their slogan, "Glasses that know you," may sound bold, but they deliver. Equipped with a 13-megapixel camera, these glasses can shoot photos and 2K video. They include a microphone for live translation, along with built-in tools for media playback, navigation, calorie tracking, and more. Under the hood, they run on cutting-edge AI platforms such as GPT 4.0, Gemini, or Claude, adapting to your habits the more you use them. A full charge powers the glasses for up to 14 hours. The price starts at $299. Mechanical watch fans have something new to get excited about: the RW1 robot from RoboStands. Not only does it wind your watches, but it also stores and displays them in style. You can set it to spin clockwise or counterclockwise, with options like 1,000 or 700 turns per day. There's even a built-in ultraviolet light to keep luminous paint glowing. The display door is designed like a secure porthole, protecting your timepieces from pets or kids. Early supporters on Kickstarter got theirs for just $99. Gamers and fitness enthusiasts alike will love what Board Dudes has built. Their controller, made from actual skateboard and snowboard decks, works both as a game controller and workout trainer. It's great for mastering tricks or keeping up riding skills at home, solo, or in multiplayer mode. You can even compete with friends across the globe. With AI-driven feedback, the system tailors personalized routines based on your gameplay. Compatible with Windows 10 and 11, Nintendo Switch, Meta Quest, Apple TV, Vision Pro, Mac, iPhone, and iPad, it starts at $239, appealing to novices and pros alike. Catchpad may be geared towards sports training, but its true strength lies in versatility. It includes over 100 preloaded routines for tennis, soccer, and shooting disciplines, and even works as a rehabilitation tool. Interaction is managed through both touch and proximity sensors. The touch sensor features 10 sensitivity levels, while the proximity sensor adjusts in 5 cm steps for a custom trigger range. The unit also senses balance using vibration, pressure, and force, with auditory feedback providing real-time responses. A starter pack of catchpads begins at $99. Would you give it a shot? Viora is a cleverly designed fan that looks like 2 stacked cubes, and each head can swivel independently. Say goodbye to arguing over airflow direction. With stands included, each fan head rotates across angles of 45, 90, or 120 degrees. There are 5 speed settings, and because it runs on battery power, it's fully portable. Its built-in 8,000 mAh battery gives you up to 10 hours of runtime, making it perfect for office desks or summer outings. Pricing kicks off at $59. Typical sunglasses rely on ultraviolet light to darken, but Ice Monster 787 goes a different route by using electrochromic tech. That makes them a solid pick for snowboarders. These lenses darken automatically within 15 seconds, and ANF Max technology prevents fogging caused by changes in temperature or humidity. Since the battery only powers the transition phase, a single charge can last through the entire winter season. Starting price, $139. No one wants to wait hours for frozen meat to thaw on the counter. Enter Quiso, a device that defrosts using plasma wind technology. It's far more efficient and safer than using a microwave. It thaws meat evenly and removes up to 99% of surface bacteria and viruses. For example, a 1 centimeter thick steak is ready to cook in just 10 minutes. Expect to pay $69 for this time-saving kitchen tool. In many homes, dryers are considered a luxury, and drying clothes on radiators or balconies just doesn't cut it. That's where the Fonarto mini dryer comes in. For just $33, you get a compact solution that handles up to 3 kilograms of laundry. It features settings for cotton, synthetics, and even shoes. Operating at only 55 decibels, it's quiet too. As a bonus, it works as an ionizer and humidifier when not in use. If you want 3D visuals without putting on glasses, look no further than the 100-22 projector. This lightweight 1.3 kilogram device brings you a glasses-free 3D experience across over 50 built-in scenes, from enchanted forests to deep space. Thanks to nano-optic design, it delivers crisp 4K visuals. The lamp is rated for an impressive 100,000 hours, and sound and visuals stay in perfect sync. Best used in rooms between 15 and 35 square meters, The 122 is available from $169. Lunchboxes have finally entered the smart era. Meet Fro, a vacuum-sealed food container that keeps meals fresh up to 6 times longer than standard containers. With one button press, it removes 99% of air, preserving 80% of nutrients and up to 90% of food freshness. In the fridge, it keeps veggies fresh for up to 15 days, and meat up to 18. The complete set includes a vacuum station and 4 900-milliliter boxes, yours for $102. Gamers and gadget lovers alike will appreciate the charm and functionality of Gamdo. Styled like a retro console, it doubles as a charging hub and audio system. It features 13 ports, 8 standard outlets, and 5 USB ports supporting PD, PPS, and QC fast charging protocols. Need a soundtrack? Enjoy built-in FM radio or stream via Bluetooth. The controls, including a nostalgic D-pad, harken back to classic NES and Sega gear. All that for $79. Summer heat calls for smart hydration. The Ice Pure Pitcher holds 1.5 liters and does double duty by both filtering and chilling water. Its multi-layer filter removes impurities like heavy metals and bacteria, while LTA cooling elements drop 500 milliliters of water to 10 degrees Celsius in just 30 minutes. Price starts at $99. Need lighting that covers your entire workspace? The Highlight Wide X might be just what you're after. With 3 adjustable lighting panels, it casts light across a surface up to 160 centimeters wide. The color temperature is also customizable, anywhere between 3000 and 6000 Kelvin. With 84 LEDs built to last over 40,000 hours and a color rendering index of 90, this lamp offers high performance and longevity. It starts at $89. With 1 in 3 people worldwide struggling with snoring, the Corel pillow aims to help. It actively responds to snoring and breathing disruptions by adjusting its shape to align your head and open airways, useful for those with sleep apnea. The water-resistant cover keeps things dry, even in warmer temperatures. You can monitor results through the dedicated mobile app. Expect to pay at least $139. And on May 21st, the world celebrates International Tea Day. If you're a tea lover, let us know your favorite blend in the comments. Meanwhile, check out Solo Tea from Tea Harmony, the first ever smart mug that stops brewing automatically for a flawless cup. Drop in a tea bag or loose leaves, pour hot water, and press the button. An LED ring indicates brew time. Green for 3 minutes, blue for 4, red for 5, and purple for 10. This patented mug is priced from $31. Finally, meet the Glyph keyboard. Not just a mechanical board, but a complete digital assistant. Its standout feature is a 7-inch OLED touchscreen, paired with the powerful Snapdragon 8. Elite chip launched in late 2024. It includes a microphone for voice commands and built-in AI interaction. With 128 gigabytes of onboard storage and an expansion slot, this keyboard blends brains with brawn. It supports Windows, macOS, and Linux, and delivers up to 10 hours of use per charge. Price begins at $329.